How to send WhatsApp to someone without internet. To send WhatsApp messages while offline, you can rely on WhatsApp's native offline queuing. WhatsApp natively supports queuing. When your device is offline, any message you type and send is cached locally in your phone's storage. So how does it work? Simply first of all, go to your navigation bar, turn off your Wi-Fi or mobile data. Now after you turn it off, simply head back to your WhatsApp. Now open WhatsApp messages and go to the chat of the person you want to message. Now after you select your member, simply tap on the message section and type in any messages that you want to send. Okay, for example, hi, and simply tap on the send icon. Now you will see a timer or a clock type emoji. That means it's successfully queued in your device local database. Now, when you turn your internet connection back on, WhatsApp will automatically upload and deliver the pending messages to the server and send to the person that you have sent the message. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Consider liking and subscribing to the channel.